When buying an SUV, most people focus on horsepower, features, or styling. But the real question should be much simpler. Will this SUV still be running 10 years from now? Because while some vehicles look great on the showroom floor, they can turn into expensive repair nightmares after a few years. Transmission failures, electrical issues, engine breakdowns, repairs that cost thousands. But not all SUVs are like that. Some SUVs have built a reputation for something far more valuable than horsepower: reliability. The kind of vehicles that mechanics trust. The kind of SUVs owners keep for 200,000, even 300,000 miles. Today we're counting down 10 SUVs that are known for legendary durability. Vehicles that many owners say you can buy once and drive forever. Let's start with one of the most famous reliable SUVs ever made. 10. On Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has quietly become one of the most dependable SUVs on the road. For years it has consistently ranked near the top of reliability surveys, and there's a reason for that. Honda focuses on simple, proven engineering. No unnecessary complexity, no risky experiments, just engines and transmissions that are designed to last. Many CR-V owners report reaching 200,000 miles with minimal repair. Routine maintenance, oil changes, and brake replacements are often all it needs. Another reason the CR-V lasts so long is its naturally aspirated engines used in earlier generations. They're less stressed than turbocharged engines, which means fewer long-term problems. Combine that with Honda's reputation for build quality, and the CR-V becomes one of the safest long-term SUV purchases you can make. 9. On Subaru Outback. Some people debate whether the Outback is a wagon or an SUV, but one thing is certain: it's incredibly durable. Subaru designed the Outback to handle tough environments, snow, mud, mountain roads, and years of daily driving. One of the key reasons for its reliability is Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system. It's one of the most balanced AWD systems on the market and has proven itself over decades. Another advantage is the Outback's boxer engine design, which lowers the center of gravity and reduces wear on internal components. Earlier models did have head gasket concerns, but Subaru improved the design significantly in later generations. Today, many Outbacks easily cross the 200,000 mile mark. For drivers who want reliability and all-weather capability, the Outback remains a top choice. 8. Our Lexus NX luxury SUVs are often criticized for high repair costs, but Lexus is the rare exception. The Lexus NX combines luxury features with Toyota-level reliability, and that combination is hard to beat, because Lexus vehicles are engineered with extremely strict reliability standards. Every component is tested repeatedly before production. That means fewer surprises for owners later. The NX also benefits from shared components with Toyota models, which have proven reliability records. Owners often report years of trouble-free driving with nothing more than routine maintenance. And because Lexus builds vehicles with such high precision, many NX models maintain strong performance even after 150,000 miles or more. It's one of the few luxury SUVs that truly earns its reputation for durability. 7. On Toyota Highlander. Toyota appears multiple times on this list for a simple reason. Few companies prioritize reliability like Toyota does, and the Highlander is one of their most dependable SUVs. For families looking for a long-term vehicle, the Highlander has been a favorite for years. It offers strong reliability, comfortable seating, and excellent resale value. But the real strength of the Highlander is its V6 engine options. Toyota's V6 engines have proven incredibly durable across multiple models. Many Highlanders regularly reach 250,000 miles or more. Hybrid versions are also known for long battery life thanks to Toyota's hybrid expertise. So whether you choose gas or hybrid, the Highlander is built for the long haul. 6. Mazda CX-5. Mazda may not sell as many vehicles as some competitors, but their reliability reputation has grown dramatically. The CX-5 is a perfect example. Mazda focuses heavily on driver-focused engineering and simplicity. That approach results in fewer complicated systems that can fail. The CX-5 also uses Mazda's Skyactiv engines, which are designed for efficiency without sacrificing durability. Unlike some competitors, Mazda avoided overly aggressive turbocharging strategies in earlier models. That helped maintain long-term reliability. Owners often praise the CX-5 for its solid build quality and minimal maintenance issues, and when properly maintained, these SUVs have been known to exceed 200,000 miles. 5. Toyota 4Runner. Now we move into the heavy-duty reliability legends. The Toyota 4Runner is one of the toughest SUVs ever built. Unlike many modern SUVs that focus on comfort and efficiency, the 4Runner is built like a truck. That's because it uses body-on-frame construction similar to pickup trucks. This design is incredibly durable and ideal for rough terrain. But durability isn't the only reason people love the 4Runner. Toyota has kept its mechanical design relatively unchanged for years. That might sound boring, but it actually means Toyota had years to perfect the platform. As a result, many 4Runners reach 300,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. And that's why you still see 20-year-old 4Runners on the road today. 4. Honda Pilot. If you want a reliable 3-row SUV, the Honda Pilot is one of the best options available. It's spacious, comfortable, and surprisingly durable. The Pilot's strength comes from Honda's proven V6 engine platform. These engines have powered multiple Honda models for years and are known for their longevity. Pilots are also known for relatively simple mechanical layouts, which reduces the chances of expensive failures. Many owners report driving their Pilots well past 200,000 miles, and with proper maintenance, some have even reached 300,000 miles. For families who need space and reliability, the Pilot is a safe bet. 3. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is often called one of the most reliable luxury SUVs ever built, and for good reason. Since its introduction, the RX has consistently ranked near the top of reliability surveys. What makes it special is its balance of luxury and durability. Lexus avoids pushing new technology too quickly. Instead, they focus on refining systems until they're nearly flawless. That philosophy leads to fewer mechanical problems over time. RX hybrid models are also extremely reliable thanks to Toyota's hybrid systems. Many RX owners report driving their vehicles well beyond 200,000 miles, which is impressive for a luxury SUV. 2. Toyota Land Cruiser. Few SUVs have a reputation like the Toyota Land Cruiser. Around the world, it's known as one of the most durable vehicles ever made. In many countries, Land Cruisers are used in extreme conditions: deserts, mountains, remote villages, places where a broken vehicle could mean serious trouble. Because of that, Toyota engineered the Land Cruiser to be incredibly tough. It uses heavy-duty components, powerful engines, and strong suspension systems. Many Land Cruisers are known to surpass 400,000 miles. In fact, in some regions, our Land Cruisers are passed down through generations. That's how durable they are. 1. Toyota RAV4. Taking the #1 spot is one of the most popular SUVs in the world, the Toyota RAV4. This SUV combines everything buyers want: reliability, efficiency, affordability, and it consistently ranks among the most dependable vehicles on the road. The RAV4 benefits from Toyota's decades of engineering experience. Its engines are designed for durability rather than extreme performance. Hybrid versions are also incredibly reliable thanks to Toyota's proven hybrid technology. Many RAV4 owners report minimal repairs even after 200,000 miles. And because maintenance costs are relatively low, the RAV4 becomes one of the most cost-effective SUVs to own long-term. Why these SUVs last so long? So what makes these vehicles different? It usually comes down to 3 key factors. First, proven engine designs. Manufacturers that stick with reliable engines often avoid major failures. Second, simple engineering. Fewer complicated systems mean fewer things that can break. And third, consistent manufacturing quality. Brands like Toyota, Lexus, and Honda invest heavily in quality control. That's why their vehicles often outlast competitors. Final thoughts. Buying a vehicle is one of the biggest purchases most people make, and reliability should always be part of that decision, because the best SUV isn't necessarily the fastest or the most luxurious. It's the one that keeps running year after year without draining your wallet. The SUVs on this list have proven themselves over time. And they've earned their reputations the hard way, through millions of miles of real-world driving. So if you're looking for a vehicle you can truly depend on, these SUVs might just be the closest thing to buy once. Drive forever.